What's good, Full Gang? Sneakerful's back with another banger video. And today, we got a pair of shoes to clean. They're real dirty. They're called the Nike Reax. I guess before the new Reax that we all know today, I guess it's the Reax. I guess that's the stuff we're all missing out on. But, so it's an old pair of shoes from my uncle. He's like our biggest fan. He wanted us to clean these shoes. So that's actually what we're going to do today. So if y'all want us to clean one of y'all pairs of shoes and y'all know us, just hit me up on the Instagram, sneaker_fulls, all lowercase, and we might just meet up somewhere and clean y'all shoes for a video if y'all want. Which is what we did for Norris, as if y'all watched like a few videos ago, we cleaned Norris's shoes. Okay guys, now I'm going to remove the laces off of both shoes because we will be cleaning both today. Okay guys, so I was going to be using MGK, which is, if y'all are long-time subscribers, that's what we first started using. That was our first cleaner. I'm pretty sure our first video was with this. But after I smelled the shoe, it didn't smell too pleasant, so actually we're going to be using the Crep Cure because it smells like bubblegum. So let's get into it.
Okay guys, when y'all are cleaning the shoes, make sure y'all scrub hard if they're really looking that dirty. And as you can see, he's just scrubbing in circular motion so it reaches more and gets all around the shoe. And when you scrub on the bottom, make sure you scrub the bottom hard because it's dirty, and you can use the sole whitening that we have if y'all want to get it, the Journeys. So yeah, that really helps whiten the bottom of the shoes. But yeah, as you can see how he's cleaning the bottom. He didn't use the sole whitener, but it really does help. So if you want to use that, you could buy that. Now these shoes were really dirty, that's why he has to scrub on the bottom so much. But if they wouldn't have been that dirty, he wouldn't have spent that much time on the bottom.
So we gave them a deep clean. They don't smell as bad now because of that. We scrubbed the whole shoe, cleaned everywhere. As y'all can see, cleaned the bottoms. I'll show y'all the other pair just to show what the other ones look like. These have a white dot right there in the middle. All the sides on there, they're dusty, dirty. Look at the inside. And then the front of the shoe. And the bottom, look, and then there's no dust or no dirt on the sides of these. It's not a restoration. And it has a cut right here. I don't know how to fix that, but we cleaned all the shoe. There's no more dust anywhere or anything. So now let's look at the bottoms. This is the clean pair. This is the dirty pair. Y'all can see it is slightly more white instead of brown, but it's stained. I don't think he's cleaned them or anything since he's got them. But I don't see there's dirt and mud on this one, and this is just slightly stained, but it's still it's not dirty, but it is slightly stained. There's no more mud or dirt on it. So now I'm going to clean this shoe. And actually, both of them have a cut right there. I don't know if that's just from wearing them or just, I think that's just from wearing them. It just busted out of them because it's in the same spot on both shoes. So let's continue the cleaning.
So now we're doing the second shoe. Decided to show a little bit of that. We weren't going to show any of the second shoe, but then we decided to show some just because one shoe wasn't enough. So hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
Okay guys, so as y'all can see, clean this shoe and I cleaned the first shoe. They're both cleaned, all the dirt and dust is all off of them. And the bottoms, like I said, they're clean, there's no dirt or mud, it's just that they're stained. And so now, to try and help get the stench out, we're going to clean the insole. We might put them in the washer for this video, but I don't know if we will. So if it helps when I clean the insole and they don't smell anymore, then we won't have to put them in the washer. But if it still smells, we're going to have to put them in the washer. Okay guys, so the soles aren't coming out. They're like glued down. I guess on some of Nike's older shoes, they glue the sole down. But the new ones, you could just pull the sole out. They just pop out. So we're going to have to try my best. You can't pull it because it's stitched right there. The tongue, it doesn't like come off. It's sewed in. So it's like an attached tongue. So I'm going to just have to try my best, scrub the sides, and try by the toe. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so now that we're done cleaning the insoles and the sides, like right here, they smell much better. I don't think we're going to have to wash them. But next we're going to have to clean the laces. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, got them fully cleaned. We did a deep clean, clean the insides, clean the laces, clean the bottoms, clean the sides, insides, everything. We cleaned everything on this shoe. And it smelled kind of bad, so we had to use the Crep because it smells like bubble gums. It smells like bubble gum, so we gave them a deep clean, cleaned everywhere. It's the Nike Reax, y'all are missing out. The new Reax trash compared to this. This is the Reax, best shoe in the game. I don't know when these came out. Let me check. These came out in 2018 or 2017. It has 2 dates on it, so I don't know. But as y'all can see, we did a clean. As I said in the beginning, if y'all want us to clean some of y'all pairs of shoes, DM us on Instagram at all lowercase sneaker underscore fools. And yeah, so we'll do a video just like this, cleaning your shoes like we cleaned his. These were kind of beat though. We don't have any Salon Care 40 or anything to put on the bottoms because we could have left them out in the sun, removed the whitening, but we didn't have any of that. I don't know if that works on this material though, because like it's not like a icy bottom, so I don't know if it will remove the whitening off that. But we might have to go to buy him some shoes later on, up his shoe game, because he can't be walking around with these. I mean, he can. These are like his work shoes because he works, but we can have to buy him some fire shoes like these or these or these. Any of those are fire. So y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, we're doing a giveaway at 1K on YouTube and Instagram. And it will be a pair of custom Air Forces we customize ourselves. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, full game.